Damn, they look good as fuck. Night rides are better. Had to take my jacket off, shit was too hot. Oh. Did you just run that curb over or am I tripping? Scoot up a little bit. That dude don't see me. I'm about to go hit the button for real. Oh, I forgot I had a clear visor. So nice out, bro. It feels good to ride at night. Damn, that was the S1K. Dang, that place is popping. That was the S1K. It was? That was a Gixxer 1000. That was a new one too. They're all out at night. Damn. Gixxer 1000. They're all out at night. S1K. What is this shit strap? Sometimes it's nice to just chill back and just cruise for real.
2 seconds later.
It's not bad. Guys, I don't think I've really thrown my bike out, like done a wheelie since my chains broke. For real, I don't know. Because when I popped it, that's when the chain broke, and I don't want that shit breaking again. I just don't, bruh. I feel like it'll be fine, but shit, knock on some wood, bruh. But you know, I'll get back to throwing them up. But yeah, I think this is honestly like my first time riding at night since we've even moved here. I've never ridden at night. It's just sprinkling, I'm not tripping. Yes, sir. I saw the R6 over here the other, like a couple hours ago. It was a gray one. Yeah, that was pretty hard. Traction control off. Or maybe we can try it out now. Okay, she still got it. I forgot that I put it in. Standard. Like I've been liking standard lately too. His aim mode, bro. This throttle was like just, and you're like, just like so twitchy, bro. Just, the throttles are crazy. I mean, I like ammo, it's fast, but like standard's just better for the street, for real. I put that bitch in A for the track. This is the life though, baby. Like riding night rides in South Carolina, let's go. Don't get much better than this. Well, actually it does. I'm missing my buddies. They're all up in Ohio. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Stupid. Quit playing, dummy. Of course my Hero 8 died, bro. This thing's stupid. They're always acting up. I should have an auto blipper where it just shifts down for you. Show 'em, show 'em. Huh? I keep mine down now that it's clear. Where are we going? Where are we going, bruh? Going to a church? Oh, we're doing a little Yui. Stupid. Stupid. Highway. I mean, it's only a tiny bit longer. We do the highway. Oh yeah, there he is. Buddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's my girl. That's my freaking girl, bruh. Good playing. What a day. It was a good day today. I'm not gonna cap. Immaculate vibes tonight. Thank you guys for all the support so far. Much love. Dang, his brights are on. That shit bright as hell. So yeah, we blinded these people, bro, because people can't see you. So you know. We're gonna blind them then they'll see us. Well, actually then they won't, because then they'll be blinded by our brights. Yeah, whatever. You get the point. I had to do it. I had to do it. Yeah, he's gone. He's gone. I don't even see his headlights, bro. Oh my lord, you just lost him. I see his little LEDs, bro. I had to give one more rip before I got off. You know what I'm saying? You guys know what I mean. End of the night, one more rip. What was he doing? That's the funny thing. If you guys don't think you're going fast, just look back after you've done a rip. What a night. What a freaking night. Man, I was right. What is it? Almost 10 o'clock? I left at what, 7? Riding for 3 hours. Oh, it's like that, huh? Ripping. I dusted. Did you see me dust him on that?
Go, but I couldn't because the gap closed.
Oh.
I had to wait.
Yeah, I saw that. I'm like, yeah, I'm gone. And then there was no car, so I just kept going.
I had a 600 there.
Yeah. Shit, how much could you get for that? 4?
Probably.
If you paid it off, get 4. Save up. You get a used one for maybe like 7.
Yeah, I could get like an old Honda CBR for like 5 5, 6 grand, 7 grand probably.
Yeah. That'd be dope.
They're not bad.
Cause
Like LED headlights and shit.
yeah, they're not that bad. I heard they're comfy as hell, but they're the slowest out of the 600s. Still fast though. What? Yeah. Alright guys, that's gonna do it for tonight. If you guys enjoyed the video, like always, please give it a like, helps the algo. The YouTube algo is doggy. And comment down below, answer any questions you got, or you know, whatever. Or throw one just for support, whatever you want to do. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Ride safe, over and out.